Hello everyone, today we will show you how to upgrade your Mars brakes to Gs18-20. These are the tools we will use. Step 1, we need to remove all hook and loop fasteners and protective coils. We need to take off the fixing screws here. Step 2, take off the front brake caliper. Use a hex wrench to unscrew the fixing bolts, not to lose the washers. 3. Remove the front brake lever and disconnect the power supply. Cut off the power first. Press the throttle to loosen the screws easier. Take out all parts after that, then we start to remove the rear brake. Four. Use an 8mm wrench to unscrew the bolts, then pull out the brake cable. Block the hole to stop brake fluid from leaking. Cut off the protective sleeve on the brake cable. Then pull out the rear brake cable. Finally, remove the rear brake caliper and rear brake lever. Then we can get ready to install the new brake system. Don't forget to cut off the power before removing the brake lever. Removed successfully. Let's install the new Lewis brakes. Get the parts ready. Let's start the modification. First, thread the rear brake cable through the hole of the body. Note, the rear brake cable is the longer one. 2. Pull out the orange plastic piece. Then clip the caliper onto the brake disc. Fasten the brake caliper with screws. Don't forget the gaskets. Three. Remove the plug fitting before connecting the brake lever and cable. Leave 1 to 2 threads exposed after tightening. Then, pass the brake lever through the middle and install it on the grip. Since this brake is different in shape from the old one, place it inside the throttle. Disconnect the throttle power before removing the throttle. Loosen the screws and install the brake lever. Pass the brake through the middle, avoid tangling the wires. Front brake cable should be on the outer side. Get screws and washers ready. Pull out the plastic insert and install the caliper. Don't forget to add washers when fixing the brake caliper. Finally, install the grips and tighten all screws. Adjust the grip to a proper angle. Align the arrows before inserting when connecting the power supply. If there is abnormal brake noise, adjust the 2 upper and lower screws of the brake caliper to fix it. Note: adjust while holding the brake. You can adjust the brake travel using brake lever reach adjustment knob. Turn it backward to increase the brake travel. Turn it forward to reduce the brake travel. Join the 2 brake cables at the proper height. When routing wires, make sure the front wheel turns fully. If not, adjust cable length. Split and wrap the cables in the right spot. All done, let's check out the new brakes.